Oh, and look at that. Hello, we're here at Mactan New Town. So, dito nag-lunch dito sa Mactan Al Fresco. So, this is not my first time na mag-vlog dire, no? But still, I want to make a vlog about the Mactan New Town. So, let's go. I'll show you. Actually, there is a Mactan New Town na sa diri mga call center. So, one of the call center nga nahibawan ako is Result, the Result. So, naadiri ang the Result. Then, nasa McDonald's, may Mactan Al Fresco, which is you can choose many foods. Na mga Korean foods. Naabay Korean foods? I don't think so. Murag wala na sila katong Koreans. So, gikan ta dito, kay dito ta nag-lunch. So, atong i-order is the lechong manok. So, yummy food ang lechong manok. So, on this side, na po diri ang mga bus station. So, going to IT Park. See? Let's go there. So, all these times, we don't have any more free parking. So, tanan na jeep parking. So we're heading now to the bus station. So this is going to the bus station. So this is the Newtown Public Terminal Transport. So kung ganahan mo mato sa IT Park, somewhere in Cebu City, so pwede ra kari diri Manakayan. So another series bus waiting for the next flight for the next schedule. Oh, the fountain is no more working. Good luck. Nakakuha pa ko ganhag video while the water is functioning. I love this part. We have 7-Eleven here. Before, there's only way going to Mactan New Town, Mactan Shrine, I mean. But now there, you can go there. So in front of me, we can see the concentric office. Oh, and look at that, the Mega World. I and the seahorse. So many people are roaming around, even if it's Sunday. Oh, I like when they have this one para sa mga labayanan, sa mga water bottles. Kay mostly no, kung manginom ang uban, sus, after drinking, wala na. Ilabay ra dayon. Ilabay ra dayon sa kalsada. So here's another way going to Mactan Shrine. See that one? Nice na kayo ang Mactan New Town, eh. Malapang tato ta sa Tower 1. Another building. I really wanted to walk on the other side, but oh my gosh, it's so hot. It's really hot. It's so quite hot today. Woo! We need something to drink to refresh. Kay grabe kainit. Na-feel ba ninyo ang kainit? May tama to tag 7-Eleven kay pabugnaw ta. Ngita ko dito water. 7-Eleven. Actually, duha din ka 7-Eleven there is sa Juan Mactan New Town. So, duha ka po 7-Eleven. Bahala dili healthy basta kay lami ikaon. Itadakimasu. Na-refresh na taon after nakakaog ice cream mo ng tubig. Grabe. Thank you so much mga ka-journey. I hope nag-enjoy kayo no sa atong vlog today sa pasuroy-suroy diri sa Mactan New Town. Ako na-enjoy na sad ko bisag kapila na magbalik-balik, but still I love to vlog. Still I love to vlog. I don't know. And for those who are new to my channels, please do subscribe, like, please. Thank you so much. Bye.